Hi everyone, May-June 2021, paper 21, Cambridge IGCSE. One of the easiest question, easy peasy, man. Question 37, the charge on the proton is E. What is the charge on an electron and what is the charge on the neutron? Okay, you see the proton is 1, 1, and it has one mass number, the top right, and the one atomic number on the bottom left here, which it means the positively charged, plus E. For the neutron, which is N01, zero mass number, zero atomic number, and one mass number, so the atomic number is zero, it means it's a neutral, which is zero. And for electron here, which is -1 and 0, the zero mass number and negatively charged and revolving around the positive nucleus. So the correct answer is D. If you face any problem in physics, please leave a comment, especially for those IGCSE students. Thank you.